Hi, and I today got for Christmas, I got a big Lego City police station. It comes with 854 pieces, and the number is 60047. It's up to 6 to 12. So let's go take a look at the back of the box. So I'll show you some things you can do with the set. You can maybe put them in your little office, or you can put them maybe that you can capture them. And looks like they have helicopters and motorcycles, and it looks like the bad guy's breaking out. And you can fall down and escape when the police is not looking. And this is where you can catch everybody. And this is them running away, and you can open the top up. So what I want to show you that's interesting is that it shows you the back of the whole set. And it shows you number one, and number two, make a motorcycle, a car, and another car. Number 3 makes a helicopter. Number 4 and number 5 makes this station, make this garage. Number 6, number 7, number 8 makes a jail. Number 9 and number 10 makes a big office. So let's see what's inside. Wow, look at all this. We got so much. So we have bag 7, bag 4, some bases and some connector pieces. Like maybe this ladder is probably for the bridge. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, instruction manuals and stickers, three plates, bag 6, bag 10, bag 9, bag 5, and bag 8. So that's the stuff that comes with the set. So right over here, it shows you doors and bricks. This one shows you the instruction manual. This one shows you bridges. And a lot of stuff with this one. Like this one is maybe from a fire ladder one. And bag 10 shows you a lot of blue bricks. And bag 5 shows you like it can be a control tower. And bag 4 shows you a lot of bricks and some gates. Bag 2 shows you with a lot of cars and a lot of bricks. Plates have a lot of dots and they're very big. I have 3 of these. 3. Bag 7 shows you some jail pieces and a lot. Bag 6 has more plates and some walls. Bag 3, very cool, and it has little doors. Alright, that's the end of this video. Bye. See you on the